Hi friends, I'm back with another delicious South Indian non-veg curry. It's chicken curry, Muniyandi Vilas style. Now Muniyandi Vilas is a very popular restaurant in Madurai in South India. They are very famous for their traditional dishes, both veg and non-veg. Their curries are divine and they have that authentic traditional flavors. Now this curry also is almost same like the restaurant one, I can say, not 100% but more or less to the same taste, and it's made with a nice fresh homemade masala which we grind at home. That makes a difference. When you make the masala fresh and use it in the curry, it gives a good flavor to it. Now this curry can be served with plain rice, or also it can be relished with dosas, appams, idiyappams, anything, or even barotas. So let's go and make this Muniyandi Vilas chicken curry. Here is the list of ingredients required for Muniyandi Vilas chicken curry. The detailed recipe also can be found on my website. I'm sharing the link below in the description box. You can check it out. And now here, these are the ingredients required to dry roast and grind to make the Muniyandi masala. Now let's get started by roasting the spices first. Put all the whole spices into the pan. Red chillies, roasted gram and raw rice. First these ingredients have to be roasted. Do this on the medium flame. Maintain it between medium and low so that they don't get burnt. Once these spices give out the aroma, towards the end we are going to add the poppy seeds and the coconut powder, desiccated coconut powder. Roast them till they give out a nice aroma. Now we'll remove in a plate and let it cool. Once they are cool, we'll grind to make the powder. Here the flavorful powder is ready for the curry. Now let's proceed to make the chicken. Heat oil in a pan. Preferably you take a heavy bottomed pan. In South they make the chicken in the chatti, the earthen pot. First put the tempering ingredients: asafoetida, mustard seeds, curry leaves, bay leaves, red chillies. Saute them a bit. Once they start crackling, we will add the ginger and garlic. I've crushed the ginger and garlic. Don't make it to a fine paste. Stir fry this until it's nice and crispy, brown. Then you dip in the onions. Now we are going to stir fry the onions, stirring them in between from time to time until they are nice and golden brown. Keep stirring. Now the color has changed to light pink. Traditionally this curry they used to cook with country chicken. It takes a longer time to cook, but it's really very delicious. But these days we use broiler chicken, which cooks very fast because it's not easy to find country chicken everywhere. Now add the tomatoes. Cover and simmer until the tomatoes are soft. While stirring, keep mashing with a ladle. Now we can start adding the other ingredients. Here goes the chicken first. Now stir the chicken until the color changes. Cook it for a little while, maybe about a minute or so. Add the turmeric powder and the salt. No other spices are added, just this, because everything is there in the masala. Fry it very well. And now goes the masala. I've added 3/4 of it. I'm not adding all. We can check later the spice level, and if needed we can add more. The quantity of the spices also you can adjust according to your liking. Now fry this chicken until the masala is coated very nicely on the pieces. Now this is done. I've added 3 cups of water and kept the curry for simmering. In between, you have to open the lid and stir so that the masala doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Allow it to simmer. This takes about 20 minutes. Intermittently open the lid and keep stirring. Check the salt. Add if required. It's always better to taste and add later. Stir it and allow it to simmer again. Now, when it is almost done, you stir in the coconut milk. About 1/4 cup of milk goes into it. Finally, add the coriander leaves. Now, these are the frozen coriander leaves. I've shared the link in the description box. You can check it out how I freeze them. Now the curry is done. Just after adding the coconut milk, give one boil. You can add the boiled eggs if you like. They taste so good in this curry. After one boil, now the curry is ready. Now you will see this gravy is going to thicken after we keep it for some time. Maybe after 1 hour I'll show you how it thickens up. This is how it becomes when you keep it for some time, and this is the perfect consistency. It goes well with dosas, appams, rotis. But if you want to serve it with rice, you need little more gravy. So if you want more gravy, you can add 3.5 cups of water. So here the delicious Muniyandi Vilas chicken curry is ready. Make and enjoy. I hope you like the recipe. Serve it with rice, or here I have served with instant dosas. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some more videos. You can check them if you like. Thank you for watching. See you soon with more recipes.